Google Meet gift cards can be a convenient way to access premium features for your meetings. Follow these steps to use them effectively. Step 1. Purchase a Google Meet gift card. Find a reliable retailer or online platform that sells Google Meet gift cards. Ensure that you choose the correct denomination that fits your needs. Step 2. Receive the gift card code. After purchasing, you will receive a gift card code. This code is usually sent via email or provided on the receipt. Keep it safe and accessible. Step 3. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google Meet website. Sign in using the Google account that you want to use the gift card with. Step 4. Navigate to the gift card redemption section. Once signed in, look for the option to redeem gift cards. This may be found in the account settings or billing section of Google Meet. Step 5. Enter the gift card code. Input the gift card code you received in a designated field and confirm the redemption. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the balance has been added to your account. Now you can enjoy the premium features of Google Meet using your gift card balance. Happy meeting!